In this video, we're going to be showing you how to change the voice on ChatGPT. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first thing you need to do is go to your profile in the bottom left, then select settings, then next to voice. If you click the drop down, you can choose from all these different voices that are available. Once you have selected one, you can click the play button to the left of the drop down, preview the voice like so.
Hey there. I've got a really great feeling about us teaming up. How can I jump in and help?
If you're on mobile, you need to click the two lines in the top left or swipe right, then select your profile at the bottom. Then scroll down to voice mode and select voice. You can now scroll through all these different voices. As you scroll, ChatGPT will preview the voice as so.
Hi there, nice to meet you. I'm excited to help you get things done. Let's get started.
Hi there. I just want to share how thrilled I am to work with you, and I can't wait to get started. So what's the game plan?
Once you've found one that you're happy with, you simply need to click done. That's all we have for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.